Buenas noches, yo soy Mario Flores y yo quiero tu voto. My name is Mario Flores and I would like your vote for Travis County Court of Law number 5. Do you want to stand up real quick? Because I know I was falling asleep when I was sitting down, and I just want you all to be a little bit more engaged. I'm not saying that you're falling asleep right now, but feel free, I won't get insulted if you all stand up. First and foremost, before I also continue, I'd like to thank you as the staff members of all the people that you're contributing and helping out. I know my spouse wishes she could be here. I have a beautiful, lovely wife and 2 wonderful boys who haven't been able to come out as much because they got school. And so thank you to all those spouses and support staff that make this possible, because it is a tiresome and gruesome effort. But let's talk about really a couple of things and why I'm running. First, happy Black History Month. The Reverend Martin Luther King said, "I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out its true meaning of its creed, where all men are created equal." Of course, I paraphrased that. That is why I'm running today. Right now, our society, as you've heard time and time again by various candidates, our society is being plagued by numerous injustices, discrimination, and inequality. I am the type of candidate that wants to make certain that those type of injustices no longer happen. You need a candidate who does not condone the status quo, but who achieves new things. I know that I can do this because I am a former city planner. I may not have 25 years of judicial experience, but I have 17 years of professional problem-solving experience. As a former city planner, I worked out in the communities to bring various actors together to create real solutions to real problems. We always talk about criminal justice reform this, criminal justice reform that, oh, this needs to be attacked. But where's the nexus? Where is the starting point for criminal justice reform? A judge cannot do it by himself. Sally Atlantis cannot do it by herself. The county commissioners cannot do it by themselves. You need a holistic approach to resolve the problems that are plaguing our criminal justice system. And that is what I offer you as a former city planner and holistic planner. Now let's talk about legal experience. I've literally solved thousands of cases. I've resolved cases where people were about to be executed if they were sent to their country. I've resolved cases where landlords were about to evict someone who fell on hard times due to medical issues. I've resolved numerous cases in favor of the little guy, the disenfranchised person, and also on behalf of those corporations out there. I don't discriminate. I do what is right and what is fair and what the law provides, and that is why I know I can serve extremely well in this capacity. Let's go back and see what the Reverend Martin Luther King said about equality and fairness. Did you all know right now, well, let's look at the city of Austin. I'm digressing on purpose. The city of Austin at one point said, hey, we don't have enough representation for our people. We're going to go to a 10-1 district. And why did they go to that 10-1 district? Because the population wasn't reflecting the people out there. Well, let's use that mentality and see our county court system right now. We have only 1 out of 7 judges who's Latino. In the district court system, not only that, they're not only Latino, but we only have 1 out of 7 judges who's minority. In the district court system, we have only 25% of our judges, well, a little bit more. We have 3 judges. My platform stands for accountability through innovation and motivation. We need to stop spending hundreds of thousands of dollars every day on the pretrial jail population system. We know that pretrial diversion programs work. We know that we need to implement a better bond system, which we haven't done. I think we rank in the bottom 20% in the state. We need to innovate, and that is done simply through technology. We need to motivate more than ever. Why do we have a lot of these criminal problems? It's because we have a lot of recidivism and substance abuse. These are bigger issues that one person cannot address on the county court system. This is why you need a holistic approach to resolve that recidivism and substance abuse issues. The last part of my platform is motivation, and that is I'm the only one talking out here about creating educational programming in our schools, a constitutional mock law trial program to make sure that everyone knows their rights. My name is Mario Flores, and I would appreciate your endorsement. Thank you.